Hey guys, Chris from Dunn & Watson. Just want to walk you through our new stock range of under tray U-drawers. So they come in three sizes, from your 900 to your 1200 and 1500, just like this one here. Now, as always, they are Australian made here at a Tingalpa workshop out of 3mm aluminium. A couple of upgrades to them. Come standard now with compression whaletail locks. Also, stock is your 227 kilo locking slide. So they're going to lock out for you. So if you're on a hill or anything like that, it's not going to matter. Also standard, your lift up lid now comes with a compression lock too. All right, gas struts. So they're the upgrades we've had to them. Now as standard as well, the face will still be square. Stock is raw, however you can upgrade it to the Pro Texture Black. Another little feature too, which I just remembered, underneath the drawer as well, it is also have a rib in it. All right, so when you load it up, it is not going to bow. But there you go, so the new stock drawers, 900, 1200, 1500 long. If you have any queries, give us a call or flick us an email.